If you also have a professional or a public profile on the Instagram application, that is a social media platform, how you can simply turn your profile from a professional, from a public profile to a private and more secure profile here. For this, click on the Instagram application on your device and you'll be able to see that this is my home screen. What I will need to do is click on the right bottom of my screen, there is a profile option. As you will be see a mini profile picture of mine in the bottom of the screen on the right bottom. Yes, click on this option and then come again to the home screen. Here you will get three lines on the top right corner of the screen. If you don't see the three lines, you simply have to scroll it or refresh your device like this. I'm going to do it, scroll down, and yes, you will be able to see those three lines on top right. Click on it. Then in this menu, you will be able to see who can see your content. In this section, from up to down, you will see an option called Account Privacy. Click on it. As you can see, my account privacy is already on the public mode. That is a public account. Everyone can see it. Now, this is a private account setting here. You simply have to enable the setting to make your account private. Then only who follows you will be able to see what's inside your profile and they will be only able to message you. Click on switch to a private profile here. And yes, your account is now more secure than previous and this is a private account right now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing short videos like that.